That must be it, man. The wheels. Gotta be them 28. Hey, what are these, man?
What's up, man? They them 28.
They're them 28s, what I tell you.
For that Box Chevy. See? 28. You gotta clean them up, put some armor all on them. Hey, Nick, can I get some help, man?
They probably want to be on some phone.
Yeah, and send out this last text.
Alright. What size are these right here?
Those are 24s. They babies compared to...
Alright, put them next to this so we can see. Just in case you guys don't think you can count.
This way y'all know what it is. 28 going on a Box Chevy. Going blue candy paint. A whole bunch of airbrush graphics on it. Y'all will see it blowing to my man Bird in Iraq. Bird, be patient, baby. It's coming to you. You don't rush perfection. It's coming. Look how big the wheel is. Look. It's almost high, big wheel. Big wheel, where the rest of you, buddy? Oh, there you go, see? Big wheel, see?
You're crazy, man.
John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Get your rims done. We can put them on your vehicle so you can be riding pretty in the summertime. One of my kids hiding there.